And today let us know, if you have taken CEC or MEC in your intermediate, then what kind of courses you can take in your degree level and what kind of job opportunities you will be having. So let's get started. So here, if you have written CPT or IPCC exam, then you can pursue your professional courses. So that there are three professional courses, that is CA, Chartered Accountant, CS, Company Secretary, ICWA, Institute of Cost and Work Accountant of India. So these are the three professional courses which you can pursue. In the BCom level, you have many categories here. So general, computer applications, honor, finance or banking, export and import or marketing. So here these are the categories in BCom, and let me tell you one thing, BCom general and BCom honors is little bit different. So here BCom gives the overall knowledge about the common subjects, and honors also does the same thing, but in the third year of BCom honors, the students have to select one subject and they will be getting a specialized knowledge of that particular subject. So that is the difference between BCom and BCom honors. And BCom honors is equivalent to any PG of the BCom category. And job opportunities also will be more for the BCom honors than the BCom, as it is equivalent to the PG level. BCom also, if they are pursuing PG, MCom or any other, they will be having equivalent opportunities. So that is the clarity I want to give it to you. And other than BCom, you can also pursue BBA, which is Bachelor of Business Administration, and BBM, that is Bachelor of Business Management, BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, BCM, that is Bachelor of Computer Management. So these are degree level courses. And one special thing for the MEC students. MEC students, if they don't want to go into the commerce category, they can also take up BSc. So in the BSc, they have some restriction to choose a subject, that is statistics, economics, computer science and mathematics. So in these four subjects, they can do the BSc and they can pursue MSc regarding these four subjects. And in the PG level for the BCom students, they can take up MCom, which is Masters of Commerce, MBA, that is Masters of Business Management, MCA, that is Masters of Computer Application, and MCM, Masters of Computer Management, MBA, Masters of Business Administration, and MA Economics. And if they want to continue in any other professional courses, they can join the LLB. Okay, they can write the LAWCET entrance exam and they can join in the LLB. And like that, they have different job opportunities after the BCom or PG level. So let us know about them. So hey buddies, so these are the few job opportunities for the CEC and MEC students, and let me give you job description in brief. So accountant will be checking the accounts, writing the accounts of a company, and here auditor or chartered accountant will be checking the accounts whether they are according to the business laws or government laws or not. But it is only for the companies who have crossed 1 crore. But I am saying this amount according to at present scenario, it may increase after if the money value increases. Okay, so next, consultant. So consultant will be giving the advices for the business people in what kind of businesses they can do it and how to increase their sales and profits and everything. They will be giving the advices. Next, company secretary. So we can say that these people are next to CEO, because they will be handling a lot of things in a job, because they will be handling whether it might be production and marketing or employees or management, everything they will be managing. So that's why they are treated next to CEO. And next, business analyst. So this business analyst will be analyzing the business and what kind of business is it, whether if it is a currently going on business or whether it is a startup. So they will be analyzing the business and what kind of business it is, and according to the present scenario, will it work out or not, and what kind of how much investment they can put it and how much returns they can get. So these all they will be analyzing. And next is sales analyst. So sales analyst, the same job as business analyst we can say, but it will be restricted to only the sector of sales. So how much sales is going on and how much profits they can get and how is the marketing sector going on, everything they will be analyzing. Next, entrepreneur. So entrepreneur is starting up your own business. So after the BCom or MCom everything, you can start up your own. A tax accountant will be dealing with all the taxes, how much you have to pay the tax amount according to your current business laws and everything. He will be checking those all. And stockbroker will be giving an advice, because in the share market there will be buying and selling of the shares. So this stockbroker will be helping the people to invest in which type of shares and where they can get the high profits and all. So he will be guiding the people and he will be getting the commission out of it. Next, economist. So economist will be dealing with economy of the any system or any business we can say that might be related to labor, wages and land and everything. So he'll be overall analyzing the economy of a business or any country or anything like that. And next, business developer. So here this person will be giving the ideas, so what kind of steps they can take to develop their business and how to get the more returns and everything, this person will be analyzing it. And next, HR, that is human resource management. So human resource management, we can say that they are the bridge between the management and the employees. So they need to handle the both and they will be having a lot of responsibilities. So financial planner or financial analyst, so we can say that these people will be dealing with how much investment you can put and how much wages you can give to your employees, and these all they will be dealing with all the finances of a company. And next, banking. So the CEC and MEC students can get the bank jobs. And next, hotel management. So here these courses will be helping the CEC and MEC students to start up their own hotel, and how to manage that all will be the business. Marketing deals with the selling of a product. So how effectively the person represents the product to a customer will be having impact on the sales. So that all deals in the marketing. Next, finance and controller. So we see in a business that we have many kind of finances like giving the wages and having the investments and everything. So where we can control that all will be decided by the finance and controller. Next, data management and network system. So this category has more demand at present scenario, and it all deals with how well you maintain your records and how well organize your data of your company. And next, lawyer. So CEC and MEC students, I already told that if they complete their LLB, they can be a lawyer. And teacher. So here, if the CEC and MEC students, if they write essay after their degree or PG, then they will be having 2 years of B.Ed course, and afterwards they can become the teacher. Next, MEC students can also join in this as a software developer. And next, mass media. So here these people can also do the journalism and everything regarding to the mass media. And fashion designing. So after the degree or intermediate itself, they can write the NIFT exam, which is regarding fashion designing, and if they qualify and they can take the diploma course and they can become a fashion designer. So these are the job opportunities for the CEC and MEC students. Hope you all get an idea and you choose your perfect job regarding which you are best at. And if you have any doubts, you comment me in the comment section, and all the best for your future. Thank you.